You are watching Chika Lang TV. Enjoy this video.
Hi everyone, this video is all about how to make Spanish bread ube flavor. Let's bake. Ingredients: a half cup of washed sugar, a half teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons of margarine, 1 tablespoon instant yeast, 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups lukewarm water, 2 tablespoons of ube liquid flavor. Let's make the dough. Mix the instant yeast, milk powder, and salt and all-purpose flour or bread flour. Mix until well incorporated. Create a well at the center of mixture, then pour lukewarm water. Add ube liquid flavor. Mix it well. Add margarine or butter. Mix until margarine is well blended with the dough. Put some oil or margarine on the surface before kneading. Transfer the dough to the work surface. Knead the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes until smooth and elastic. It's gonna be a bit sticky at first. Once the dough is smooth, your hands and surface are clean, check for elasticity. If it doesn't break at the center and bounces back when you press the dough, it's ready for proofing. Grease the bowl with oil, then place the dough. Grease the dough as well. Cover the bowl and proof the dough for 30 minutes or until double in size. Let's make the filling. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup washed sugar, 1½ tablespoon Ube liquid flavor, mix it well. Add margarine. Mix until well incorporated. Add more margarine, 8 tablespoons or 1/3 cup to be exact. Brush surface with oil. After 30 minutes, the dough has doubled in size. Transfer the dough to the counter. Lightly punch down the dough to release air gas bubbles. Cut the dough into your desired size. Flatten each dough with rolling pin. Put the Ube fillings on the center of the flattened dough. Roll the dough on breadcrumbs until completely coated. Place the coated dough on a greased pan. Cover with damp cloth and let it rise for 1 hour and 30 minutes. After 1 hour and 30 minutes, the Ube Spanish bread are fluffy and the size is doubled. Bake in the preheated oven at 170 Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes. A few minutes later. Baking time may vary depending on how toasted you want them to be. The aroma of a fresh baked is so good. After 30 minutes, ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, share, and subscribe. Always remember, whatever the taste of life, God is good all the time.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.